secrets in between. Got the mountains in my blood, that's the strength I trust. Ain't shit like the rest, I was carved from dust. Where the mornings hit quiet and the nights stand still, where the old county roads hum a tune of their own, and the creek water teaches you to pull her home. Got grit in my voice from the paths I walk, from the late night fires and the back porch talk. If you're searching for the part of me that never gave up, it's the mountains in my blood, yeah, that's enough. I got the mountains in my blood running wild and free. Hear the red line calling every time it's me. Hear the dirt on my boots tells the life I see. Days where the pines keep the secrets in between. Got the mountains in my blood, that's the strength I trust. Ain't shaped like the rest, I was carved from dust. I've been shaped by the storms that roll off the range, by the thunder that echoes where the world feels strange. Every scar that I carry came with something to learn, like a cold town memory with a slow burn turn. Yeah, I'm forged from the ridges and the cold night air, from the hands that raise me in the weight they bear. If you wonder how I stand when the winds kick up, it's the roots that run deep where the ridge grows tough. Yeah, the mountains in my blood, that's what's holding me up. I got the mountains in my blood running wild and free. Hear the red line calling every time it's me. Yeah, the dirt on my boots tells the life I see. Days where the pines keep the secrets in between. Got the mountains in my blood, that's the strength I trust. Ain't shaped like the rest, I was carved from dust. One more night with a blaze on the small towns made, where the stars shine honest and the truth is still. Then you learn who you are by the pull of the hills. Yeah, the world might push, but I won't fall through. I got a heart made strong by the Highland. If the all gets rough, I know where to look, to the place that raised me like no one book. Yeah, the mountains in my blood, that's my proof. I got the mountains in my blood, running cold and clear. Hear the red line whisper every time I'm near. Yeah, the dirt on my boots got a story it keeps. I was raised where the pines hold the secrets they keep. Got the mountains in my blood, it's the backbone I trust. Ain't built like the rest, I was carved from dust. side, smoky rolling steady through the dawn. Two-lane blacktop calling our names, chasing sun through valleys and plains, rails and rivers running wild and free, twisting through the tall pine trees, rise and fall of the open road. Let that throttle ease the load, clear the mind, body, and soul, leave the heavy world behind. We ride where we've never been, wind in our faces, let the freedom in. Small town lights and a neon sign, diner doors and a nice cold beer. Kickstands down, but the night's not done. Cigars and scotch when the day's been won. Laughing loud while the moonlight glows. That smoky rising heats on the road. Two wheels, two hearts, one long note. Yeah, that's gonna win tonight. Early morning sun is low, boots on dirt, it's time to go. Horses waiting by the rail, old maps tell another tale. Coffee's strong, the fire's warm, dames were born before a storm. Out west where the rivers shine, we chase a hope we never find. Hear the whistle, hear the call, freedom waits beyond the wall. She's coming round the mountain road with a heart of fire and a heavy load, gold in mind and dust in hand, chasing dreams across the land. She's coming round and hear the sound of open skies and freedom found. No looking back, just moving on from dusk till dawn. From dusk to dawn. Camp at night beneath the stars, counting stars and broken cars. Stories told by land and light, winds by day and lost by night. Old time songs and whiskey low, every face I used to know. Some struck gold, some lost it all, some just kept on standing tall. When the night is cold and long, we keep riding, moving on. She's coming loud, belongs to me.